Chapter 11. Houses and Bridges. You must have seen a house being built. Many people work hard to build it. Buildings of different shapes and sizes are used for different purposes, but something is common about them. What is that? It is the way they are made and the things used to make them. They are all made of concrete, wood, iron, steel, glass, and bricks. Bricks are the basic material used to construct houses and bridges. Houses. Who makes these buildings? Not one person, but a team of people who are skilled in different jobs work together and construct these buildings. Let us meet some of them. An architect makes a drawing of the house before it is built. The drawing shows the different rooms the house will have. The laborers dig the land where the house is to be built. An architect. Architect shows design to town planners. They decide whether the design is suitable or not. At times, changes are suggested before giving the final approval. Then, engineer instructs a team of laborers. After the design of the building is finalized, different groups of skilled people get involved in its construction. The foundation of the building is laid down. The mason builds the walls of the house with bricks and cement. The plumber fixes pipes and taps for water, while the electrician fixes the wiring and other electrical fittings. An interior designer plans the detail inside the house to make it beautiful. The carpenter makes doors, windows, and cupboards. The painter paints the house. All these people work together to build our house. The basic material used in constructing buildings are bricks. Bricks are the oldest building material. Clay is used to make bricks. There are two methods of making bricks: the stiff mud process and the soft mud process. In the stiff mud process, clay is prepared by crushing and grinding it. In the stiff mud process, clay is prepared by crushing and grinding it. Then, the clay is mixed with water to form a stiff dough. The dough is then put inside a brick cutting machine. After the bricks are cut, they are stacked to dry before baking them in the kiln. In the soft mud process, more water is used to soften clay. Then the clay is poured into molds, and when the clay dries, the mold is removed. Then the sun-dried bricks are baked in a kiln. Nowadays, we have modern bricks which are fully automated. Bricks are baked in a kiln. Bridges. In ancient times, bridges were very simple and generally at ground level. Fallen trees, logs, wooden planks and stones served as bridges to cross a lake, river, or a stream. They help people and vehicles to cross from one side to the other. Now, different kinds of bridges have been constructed. The construction of a bridge is a complex process. Some bridges are made of stone, while some are made of bricks. The bridges that we see today have a concrete and steel framework. The distance between the two supports is called the span of the bridge. Most bridges can be broadly classified into the following types. Arch bridge. It is also an old type of bridge and is shaped like an arc. Early arch bridges were built of bricks and stones, but now they are made of concrete or steel. They are very strong bridges. Beam bridge. A beam bridge is the oldest type of bridge. It is made of logs, steel beams, or concrete. It consists of a horizontal structure called a beam which rests on support on either ends. Long beam bridges need lots of pillars for support. Suspension bridge. Suspension bridges hang from steel cables supported by two towers. The towers are either on each side or in between if it is a long bridge. The cables that are supported by tower are called main cables to the roadways on the bridge. The Vidyasagar Setu over the river Hooghly connecting Howrah to Kolkata is a suspension bridge. Temporary bridges. These bridges are made of logs, wooden planks, bamboo and ropes. These bridges are built across small streams. Value voice. Building a house or a bridge needs teamwork. We should learn how to work as a team and do our task to the best of our abilities. Key words. Stacked. A pile of something usually neatly arranged. Kiln. A large oven for baking clay and bricks. Plank. A narrow flat piece of wood that is used for making floors, etc. Mold. A container in which you pour a liquid or soft substance. Let's remember, bricks are basic materials used to construct houses and bridges. An architect makes a drawing of the house before it is built. A strong foundation is very important for the safety of a house. The different types of bridges are beam, arc, suspension and temporary.